Welcome back to Just Zest. Today, we will discover Tenety Park, one of Vishakhapatnam's green treasures. Visit to Vishakhapatnam would be incomplete without visiting this park. We started our journey for Vishakhapatnam on a clear sunny day. The mountains on the way was just mesmerizing. The beautiful scenic journey was witnessed on the wheels through the massive glass windows of the Vande Bharat Express. This train is just a class apart. Traveling at 130 kilometers per hour, it offers world-class experience for the travelers. As we reached at our destination, Vishakhapatnam welcomed us with a vibrant blue sky. The colorful, hustling and bustling city was really a visual delight for us. We passed through many bridges and famous outlets on our way to the seashore. Soon we were on the road along the sea leading us towards the park. As we stroll along Beach Road, we were greeted by the endless expanse of the clear blue sky. The serene coastline stretches as far as the eye can see, offering a perfect canopy for this coastal paradise. Along the shore, the coconut trees stand tall, their fronds swaying gracefully in the gentle breeze. They create a rhythmic dance, adding a touch of tropical charm to the landscape. The sight of these trees waving in unison is both calming and captivating. While we were enjoying the beauty of the seashore drive, we reached near the Tenety Park. Welcome to Tenety Park, Vishakhapatnam's green treasure. As dawn breaks, the park awakens, draped in the golden hues of the rising sun. This serene oasis offers a perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle. As you step into Tenety Park, you're immediately embraced by a vibrant tapestry of lush greenery. Visitors of all ages can be seen enjoying the lush surroundings. Families gather for picnics under the shade of the trees. Joggers find their stride along the green paths, and nature enthusiasts immerse themselves in the tranquil beauty of the park. From this point, you can have a sneak peek of the mountains kissing the sky and see waters playing with the seashore. Tenety Park is not just a visual delight, but it's a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. The vibrant greenery offers moments of solitude and reflection. At this place, you'll find a heaven where the mind can wander freely and the soul can find its calm. It's a place where time seems to slow down and every breath is filled with the scent of nature. Soon we could find few visitors enjoying the solace of the place, just lying still on the lush green grass with absolute stillness. Do come here once if you want to enjoy this experience of being in the lap of nature. The next best thing was yet to come. Nestled within this lush heaven stands a majestic ship, now a silent guardian of the park. Once a voyager of the high seas, it now shares its tale standing still on the seashore. The ship adds a touch of history to the park's natural beauty. Just imagine yourself enjoying at this place and witnessing the blue sky and sea in front of your eyes. No nature lover can escape this magnificent view. We stood still at this place just to witness the rhythmic dance of the waves as they crash against the rugged rocks, creating a soothing melody that resonates with the spirit of the ocean. You can even savor your taste buds here with some warm delights. Each wave carries with it the whispers of tides, blending seamlessly with the tranquil ambience of the park. The sound of the waves is nature's symphony, inviting visitors to lose themselves in its mesmerizing cadence. Some like mountains and some like beaches. But this place in Visakhapatnam is a combination of both. Mountains kissing the skies and ocean washing the feet of the mountains. What else a natural destination can offer you? It's just the best from both the worlds. A perfect place to soak in nature, play with it, and enjoy the vastness. Do plan your visit to this mesmerizing park next time you visit Visakhapatnam. As the day came to an end, our schedule for the day wanted us to come back. But our mind wanted to rebel with us. That made us stay few moments more at the beach of Tinnati Park and enjoy the sea playing with us. As if the mind wanted to say, "Ye dil mange, more for sure." Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the presentation. If so, please consider sharing this with few nature and travel lovers. Please consider subscribing to Just Zest for more such videos. Until next time, enjoy the zest in life.